The most common fault is the Chevrolet Spark. Every person who had a Chevrolet Spark knows exactly that the most common fault of the Spark is the crochet guaya. Is the first fault that has that car part, the crochet guaya constantly, so they have to buy a very good guaya. Another of the faults that has the Spark can be the gasoline pumps, that is to say the battery she damages. Not constantly, but if there comes a time that stops sending, and you know that when the Spark does not want to turn on the ignition, they throw a little gasoline to the acceleration body, and if it turns on directly, you know it is the fuel pump, and if it does not turn on, you should check the coil. Another fault that has the Spark may be the coil. It is one of the most common faults of any car, and the coil is not constantly damaged, but it can be damaged at some point. How do we know if the coil fails? When you touch the coil and you know it is too hot, it is overheating a lot, and you start the vehicle and you have a failure as a bucking, both can be the coil or the battery. It is the most common failure. Otherwise, you would have to check the fuse that can be. Another of the failures of the Spark that you have is that in rise with the air on can overheat. Remember that this is a very small engine and cannot force much the car, but nothing more in rise. You have to check that the water pot you have is original and has the original lid, because if you will not be throwing water through the lid of the pot, and that can cause overheating. These are the most common failures that the Spark has. But if you decide to buy a car,